Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explain. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on notifications of Cooking Craze. So let's get started. First, launch Open Settings on your mobile device. Scroll down until you find Apps option. Tap on Apps. Now, this panel is going to show up. Among all of these options, select Manage Apps option. Now scroll down until you find Cooking Craze game. Tap on Cooking Craze. Scroll down a little and then tap on Notifications option. To turn on notifications of Cooking Craze, tap on the toggle button which is right next to Show Notifications option. And this is how you can turn on notifications of Cooking Craze. Thanks for watching Gaming Explain. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.